What's up? What is up? Okay, whoa, that is so crooked. Let's not do that. What's up, everybody? So you're probably like, what the hell is this, Ava? And clearly I don't know what this is either. So it's currently Monday, like 4 o'clock, and 4 o'clock clock. It's currently Monday and tomorrow is Tuesday, that means, and from Tuesday to Saturday I'm gonna be on vacation, which is so much fun. I feel like, okay. So, you know, I was like, what am I gonna do for a video? Because who knows if I'll even be able to post anything when I'm on vacation, because, you know, it's vacation. I'll be doing stuff. I have been thinking all day of what video to do. And started off with me actually doing like one of those like playlist videos where they just drive around and like listen to music. But I was driving and I like got really angered and just I felt like really stupid. So I just like drove home and was like, screw this, I ain't gonna do this. So that failed. But you guys are gonna pack with me because that's the only other thing that came to my mind. So let's go. And you're probably wondering what this is. These are all my clothes that have been sitting here for about a week that I have yet to put away. Oh my god, what's in my tooth? Who cares? Okay, so I have a bunch of stuff on my suitcase because I haven't touched my suitcase since spring break, meaning I haven't cleaned it out since spring break. So that's called hygiene. Actually, what? That didn't make sense. I don't know what this is. So here, oh my god. If you're new to my channel, you wouldn't know that I tend to have bugs in my room because my life sucks. So if a centipede crawls out and tries to murder me, I will die. So here we have my suitcase and a shirt that is from months ago, some underwear, more underwear. By the way, I'm throwing these into my hamper and I'm missing every single time, so. This is from 2013. Okay, so let's go. Let's. Oh my god. This is probably, could my family like shut up? Cool, that only took me 5 minutes. So my family did interrupt me by screaming and yelling in the house, so they also gave me a dog.
This dumb bitch better put me down.
Actually, they locked him in my room because I don't know. I'm not gonna say where I'm going because I don't have a desire to get murdered while on vacation. Not my goal. But it's just, it had a lake. It's like, we gotta pack our bathing suits. We gotta pack our clothes. It's kind of colder than where I live, but then again, where I live, it's like 90 to 100 degrees casually, so not that much colder, but you know. Could you not cry? There's a huge knot in my hair, and I don't really want to deal with it right now because, oh my god. Screw hair, am I right? Shorts? I really outdid myself, wow. Another bra. Some socks. I don't know why I'd use socks, but I guess I'll just bring some just in case. These shorts, PJs are a necessity. I love me some PJs. So I think I'm gonna go with the classic Tabasco shirt because we really love Tabasco sauce. That's why. When I pack, I don't think about like, oh, what am I gonna wear Monday? What am I gonna wear Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday? Yes, I know my strap is twisted up and it's probably gonna annoy you guys, but you know what? I didn't realize it, and I don't know when I realized it in this video, so just suck it up and please don't comment about it. Thank you. Do you need something? He just has the audacity to interrupt me constantly, and I'm over it. Okay, just in case you were wondering, I let the dog go free because we don't abuse animals here. So fun fact, I don't. Bentley, what a Bentley. Anyways, sort of fun fact, recently I got 5 fish. I got 3 at first and then I got 2 like more, and just because my parents wouldn't let me get a guinea pig or a turtle or a chinchilla. So you gotta you know, compromise, yeah. Originally we got the same fish in a tank. It was 1 zebrafish, 2 normal guppies, like yellow guppies, and I decided I wanted more fish. So we went back and we were gonna get the same, like the ones from the tank, they were like the same ones there. Some guppies and another zebrafish. But we decided, I don't know, my mom kind of forced me, no, she definitely forced me into it, that instead we were gonna get 2 like mini guppies. They like stay small forever, but they're like really small. So we brought those home, and immediately from the first day, the baby guppies were literally like terrorizing the freaking big guppies. The zebrafish was just to himself, like he was fine. So I've been worried for like the past week about what was gonna happen, and today, and by the way, I fed them perfectly fine. I always fed them, and like they had like a water filter and everything, so it seemed fine. But today I come home from Target and I look in the fish tank and I see one of his name was George or Gary. There was George and there was Gary. I think it was Gary though. Dead at the bottom of the tank. And not just like floating or something, you know, like just like fell down. No, he was like face first, like into the rocks. It looked like a crime scene. So I'm assuming that one of the baby guppies, and their names are Belly. Whoa. It's Billy and Benny. I think Billy or Benny either murdered George or Gary. Zelda, the zebrafish, minds his own business, but I'm pretty sure I have a murderer in my household. I don't know where I was, but to continue packing, some important things you need are underwear. I don't really want to show my underwear on camera because I feel like there's weird people here. No offense to you guys, but you know who you are. You're just kind of creepy. Ooh, that's a pretty dress. Oh my god, I love myself. Now some swimsuits because those are necessary. Here is another random shirt. I don't know what it is. I tried to make this video interesting, but if I'm being honest, it's a real big joke. I should probably pack makeup because here I am making an excuse, but in all honesty, I'm just ugly. That's why I need makeup, okay? Let's go get them. I've also been told not to film at this angle because it just isn't very flattering. I'm gonna put my makeup in here. This is for cotton balls, but they're all gone, so I guess I can just put them in here. So today I got a new mascara because I'm running out of the one I have right now. And here's the thing, it's this Lash Sensational one. I tried it a few years ago and I kind of hated it. So you're probably like, Ava, why did you buy it? Well, you know what? I don't really know. I have nothing to back up my statement. I just kind of freaking bought it like an idiot. Some concealer, powder, maybe a little bit of bronzer. I don't see myself wearing it, but you never really know. Eyelash curler. Hey. Here is a rubber band that was this necessary? I'm putting on now because most likely I always forget I always forget them when I go on vacation, and then I like screw myself over. So I'm putting on my hand now so that I'll just have to like suffocate my hand while I sleep just to make sure I have it there. So I'll need to bring some shoes. I'll just get them tomorrow. I'll probably end up wearing the same shoes every day though, so like who gives a crap? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed packing with me. I know I'm very irritating and annoying. I just kind of didn't know what else to do. So I was like, Ava, film this video. So here I am doing it. Yeah. I need to charge my camera too before I go. Anyways, I'm gonna go now because I'm annoying myself so badly. So peace out.